Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are new here, then you're especially welcome. You have a lot to learn from this channel. We cover Forex indicators, Forex strategies. We cover a lot of insightful topics that is related to the Forex market. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed, you might want to do that now so that you do not miss out on many more insightful videos. So without further ado, we are going to be getting straight into what we have for this video, and that is the Paramon Scalp Indicator. We're going to be discussing the Paramon Scalp Indicator in this video. Okay, it is a custom indicator, so you know what to do, right? Yeah, you have to download it and add it to your indicators library before you'll be able to load it to your chart. Okay, so the Paramon Scalp Indicator looks like this. Okay, okay, can you see how the indicator looks like? It's an indicator that helps you to identify important price points on the chart here. So you have to wait for the indicator to display a signal, right? The indicator might not always have something displayed until when necessary. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame, and I just had to navigate through different time frames to find where a signal was displayed. All right, because I am recording this particular video when the market is closed. Okay, so I don't know if that is the reason why some time frames do not have any signal displayed on them, but I can see that there is a signal on the 4-hour time frame, so I'm just going to use the 4-hour time frame to explain. Okay, so this indicator is quite straightforward. Okay, it's quite straightforward. It combines the power of moving averages with a custom oscillator. Right, what it does is that it identifies important price point on the chart for you. Okay, the indicator does not exactly give you direct buy or sell signals. What it just does is to identify important price levels on your chart. So when you have identified those levels on the chart, you ought to get confirmations as to what to do with those levels. So for example, when the indicator highlighted this level, we can see that this level is a resistance level because price got rejected around there. So when the indicator identified this level, the trader ought to figure out what that level represents, because the indicator will not exactly give you the details, right? So when the indicator highlights this level, if the price was still coming down, then you can most likely know that that level is going to be a support level. Okay, because if the price is coming down and the indicator identifies a level below candlestick, it's likely going to be a support level. Then if that level gets broken, you should be looking for breakout opportunities, sell opportunities, right? So let's say the indicator identified this level when the price was still coming down, and then we had a breakout. Ideally, what you should be looking out for is sell opportunities below that level. Okay, so after we had a retest, this would have been a good opportunity to enter a sell right after the retest, and then you can set your stop loss above the breakout point, and then for your take profit you can make use of the nearest support level. All right, you just have to find the nearest support level and use for your take profit. Okay, or if the indicator identifies another level, because the indicator actually identified this level, this is a support level. All right, this is actually a support level, so you would have considered exiting around the support level. But if you do not have a good risk to reward ratio by then, it's either you stay out of the market if your risk to reward ratio is not good enough for this level, or if you have identified another support level that is not too far away from this. For example, we can see we had a support level here, we had another support level here, right? Okay, let's just zoom out a bit. Can you see there was a support level here, there was another support level here? So if your risk to reward ratio is not good enough for the first support level, but it is good enough for the second support level, what you have to do is analyze how strong the trend is. All right, if the trend is strong enough, then you can push your take profit to the next support level so that you have that risk to reward ratio, the ideal risk to reward ratio, minimum of 1 to 2. So that if you are risking $1, your potential profit target is going to be $2. Okay. So once you have done that, when the price is going in your direction, you can actually decide to trail your stop loss. Okay, just to be on the safer side, you can decide to trail your stop loss after the price has exceeded the first support. You can decide to trail your stop loss just a little above that support, because that support is going to turn to a resistance after it is broken. So you can just shift your stop loss above, some pips above the support, right? And then you wait for the price to get to your actual profit target, which is going to be the next support level. Okay, so that is it for this indicator. All right, if it was a buy trade, then you have to look out for possible indications that the line identified by the indicator is representing a resistance. Okay, because this is a sell trade, that is the reason why we are considering these levels as supports, right? But if it was a bullish trend, those levels identified by the indicator will likely be resistance levels. Okay, so basically that is how the indicator works. The indicator helps you to identify those important price levels on the chart, but the trader has to figure out what those levels represent. Okay, in a bullish trend, the levels will likely be resistance levels. In a bearish trend, the levels will likely be support levels. Okay, so what do you do around the resistance level? There are two things involved. It's either you look for a sell reversal around a resistance level, or you look for a bullish breakout. All right, then in the case of support level, there are two things involved as well. You either look for a bearish breakout, or you look for a bullish reversal. Okay, so that is how it is. Okay, so that is it for this video. I will also recommend confirming your signals with other indicators. Okay, in as much as the Paramon Scalp Indicator does not exactly give you direct buy and sell signals, wherever you have these levels being identified by the indicator, you can actually confirm your signals with other indicators such as the moving averages or RSI or stochastic or MACD or any other indicator of your choice, right? So that you can have more confidence in your trades. For example, when we had this sell breakout, the moving average also confirmed it, because you can see how the price dropped below the moving average. So right after the price dropped below the moving average, you can see that the Paramount Scalp Indicator identified this level. All right, so that would have been an extra confirmation for us to enter a sell, and then we set our stop loss above the swing high, right? And then for our take profit, we can use support levels, or we can decide to use the moving average to determine our exit, and that will be when the price cuts above the moving average. Okay, so your exit signal depends on you. All right, just your exit strategy rather depends on you. You can use other indicators to confirm, or you can wait for the Paramount Scalp to present a support level for you to exit a sell, or a resistance level for you to exit a buy, or you can decide to watch out for possible reversal chart patterns or reversal candlestick patterns, in order to add a layer of confidence to your trades. Okay, so I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading. I hope to see you in the next video.